Hi everyone, Allie here with thebeadchest.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use a jump ring. It's a very simple tool that can be used throughout your projects. It is a way to seal your work, to clasp your work. So jump rings come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors, silver, glass, or brass. Here we have a pretty small one. I think it's about a 4mm jump ring. Most jump rings are open. You'll see open jump ring whenever you purchase it. Closed jump rings obviously can't be opened. So open jump ring can be opened. You're going to want to take your pliers, grab your jump ring. You'll start to see if you really bring it close, there's a little bit of an opening here. What I like to do is take one end of my pliers and place it on one side of that jump ring. Then use my thumb and just pull my pliers towards me to open the jump ring. From there, you can attach it to whatever project you're working on. So say you're doing a clasp, or you're adding some little beads, or your wire work. Then what you'll do is just take your thumb or finger underneath that clasp and just press your pliers away to close it. I like to think about prying rather than pulling, because the pulling will actually bend the metal here at the base, which you don't want because it'll break. So if you pry it towards you and twist it, it's more likely to stay sturdy, and it is more likely to go back exactly where it was before, which is in a very closed position. So keep that in mind. For any and all fixings you need for your projects, check out thebeadchest.com and check out our tutorials and projects to find out more. I'll see you next time. Bye.